Okay, so the next test I want to talk to you guys about is called Kligler iron auger. Kligler iron auger contains a couple of different sugars, a phenol red, and also ferrous sulfate. It's used for screening of gram-negative bacteria. The first test I want to talk to you about is an uninoculated test. Notice that this test would be red from top to bottom, the slant and the base. The next test I want to talk to you about may look like it has some kind of reaction in it, but I want you to notice the base is still a negative reaction and the slant is also still a negative reaction. So you have red on the slant and it's still red in the base. This slightly darkened portion in the middle is just bacterial growth. It does not represent a reaction. The next tube I want to talk to you about is positive on the slant, positive in the base. Notice the yellow on the slant, it's yellow completely through the auger. However, there's no gas production in this tube. The small divot that you might see on each of the tubes at the bottom of the slant is simply from when the auger cools. So this composite reaction would be positive/positive. The next type of reaction I want you to notice is also positive/positive. However, this one has the addition of a gas bubble, which is also denoted by this large line, this crack running through the center of the auger. So that's gas production. So the composite reaction of this tube would be positive/positive/gas. The next tube you should be aware of has a couple of different reactions as well. Notice the slant is red, the base is yellow. However, there's something really serious going on here. Gas production has been extreme in this case, and the auger has been lifted completely up off the base of the tube. You'll also notice a major crack running through the yellow portion of the auger. So the composite reaction of this tube would be negative/positive/gas. Another type of reaction that you might encounter is the one where the ferrous sulfate will react. In this case, the slant would be negative, the base is positive, and notice this solid black auger here in the base of the tube. That indicates hydrogen sulfide production. So the composite reaction of this tube would be negative/positive/H2S. The last type of reaction that you should be aware of is all of these possibilities combined. So notice you have red on the slant, you have black in the base of the tube in more than 50% of the base, and you have the auger lifted off the bottom of the tube as well as a large crack running through the center of the auger. So the composite reaction of this tube would be negative/positive/H2S/gas.